In this example, a tax preparation company randomly select 300 adults and ask them how they prepare their taxes. Accountant, 61. By hand, 42. Computer software, 112. Friend family, 29. And tax preparation service, 56. The question says, what are the observed and expected frequency? Very good. So let us begin. Let us write down the method that people are using. The very first one is using accountant. What percent of people are using accountants? Percent of people. So 61 out of 300, which is 24%. The next column that we need is observed frequency, which is 61. And finally, we need the expected frequency. So let me just move this up here. This one for tax prep services, which was 56. And finally, we need to add expected frequency. For the expected frequency, what are we going to do? We're going to multiply the total number of adults participating here by the percent of people who are actually using the accountants, multiplied by 24%. This guy is equal to 72. Now let's move on to the next one by hand. The percent of people, 42 out of 300, which is 20%. Observed frequency, which we know is 42. And now the expected frequency, which is 300 times 20%. This guy gives us 60. So let us move on to the next one, computer software. $112 out of 300, which is 35%. The observed frequency, we observed 112 of them, and the expected frequency, which is 300 times 35%, which is equal to 105. The next category, friend and family. Friend and family. Well, we have 29 of them. 29 divided by 300, which is equal to 6%. The observed frequency, 29. And the expected frequency, 300 times 6%, which is equal to 18. And finally, the last category, tax preparation company. We have 56 out of 300, which is equal to 15%. The observed is 56, and the expected is 300 times 15%, which is equal to 45.